The camera app is one of the most frequently used features on your phone, but it can be frustrating when it stops working or crashes unexpectedly. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to fix the camera on your Galaxy S21 if it's constantly crashing. But before we dive into the solutions, we would be grateful if you could support us by liking and sharing this video. Let's get started. First solution. Close the camera and other apps running in the background. If you're experiencing issues with your phone's camera app, the first thing to try is closing the camera and other apps running in the background. This can refresh the app and its services and often resolves the problem. To do this, tap the Recents key to view the apps that are still running. Find the camera app and swipe it to the side to close it, then tap Close All to force stop all running apps. After closing the apps, launch the camera again and check to see if the issue has been resolved. Second solution, force restart your phone. To fix app crashes and minor system glitches, you can force restart your phone. This is a simple yet effective method. Follow these steps to force restart your phone. Press and hold the volume down and power keys at the same time for 8 seconds. The phone will shut down and turn back on. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release both keys and wait for the device to finish booting up. After the restart, check if the camera still crashes. If it does, try the next solution. Third solution, reset the camera settings. If your phone's camera is still crashing after trying the first two solutions, resetting its settings can often fix minor issues. Here's how to do it. Tap and hold the camera icon until the options appear. Tap the app info icon to access the camera's settings. Scroll down and tap Camera Settings. Locate and tap Reset Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset in the pop-up window. After resetting the camera's settings, go back to the home screen and launch the camera app again to check if the issue has been resolved. If the camera still crashes, you can try the next solution. Fourth solution. Check for firmware updates. To ensure that your phone is free of any known issues, you should check for firmware updates. Installing the latest Android version can fix any widespread problems that might be causing the camera to crash. To check for updates, open the Settings app and select Software Update. Tap Download and install to check if any updates are available. If an update is available, download and install it. After that, try launching the camera again to see if the problem has been resolved. If no update is available, proceed to the next solution. Fifth solution, factory reset your phone. If the problem with your phone's camera still persists after trying all the previous solutions, then it could be a serious issue that requires a factory reset. However, before resetting your device, it's important to create a backup of your important files and data. Here's how to reset your phone. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap General Management. Then select Reset. Tap Factory Data Reset. Scroll down and tap Reset. If prompted, enter your security lock, then tap Delete All. Enter your password and tap Done to proceed with the reset. After resetting your device, set it up as a new device and check if the camera is functioning properly. If the problem still persists, it might be a serious software issue or a hardware problem that requires the help of a technician. We hope these solutions have been helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. Have a great day.